Hello children, welcome to the social science class. In previous class, we have learnt about urban community. Now we shall learn about tribal community. In tribal community, that is about difference between tribal community and our environment. Second, understand about tribe. Third, the occupation of tribal community. Students, observe the picture and explain how it differs from your environment. First one is there is a change in dressing style. They use the skin of animals. Second one, they use the ornament made of feather, naturally available material like coral feather beads. And in our environment, first one is we use fabrics like cotton, silk, nylon, polyester. Second one, we use ornaments made up of metals like gold and silver. Children, just now you have observed the difference between tribal community and our environment. Students, now let us understand about tribe. Students, what is tribe? Families living in dense forests or hilly areas are called tribal community. The living conditions, language, dress, and marriage system of the tribes are distinct. In Karnataka, Soli Gas of Mysuru district, Koragas of Dakshina Kannada, Jainu Kurbas and Yaravas of Kodugu district are the tribal communities. Students, identify the occupation of the tribals in the given picture. First one, hunting. Hunting is the practice of seeking, piercing and capturing or killing wild animals. Second, extraction of honey, removing the honey from the beehive. Third, basket making. Basket weaving is the process of weaving or sewing pliable materials into three-dimensional artifacts such as baskets, mats, mesh bags, or even furniture. Basket weaving is also a rural craft. Next, digging the root. It is an occupation of tribal. They were having food like root, fruits, flesh of animals. So, to get the root of the plants, they were digging and finding the roots. Next, collecting fruits. Tribe people were in search of fruits, trees in forest, and then they used to collect it. Students, since tribal communities live in forests and hilly areas, they were deprived of health, residence, education, transport, food, and electricity facilities. The government is trying to provide education, food, house, and health facilities to these people in the recent years. So, different types of communities can be seen in rural, urban, and tribal communities. Students, here are the picture of some achievers who made their own stamp in their own fields. They are Lata Mangeshkar, who is the popular singer, Ustad Bismillah Khan, who is the popular musician, Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, who is popular vocalist from Karnataka in the Hindustani classical tradition. Students, look at the picture. Who are there? How are they useful to us? First, doll making. A doll is a model of a character which is used as a toy for children. Singer. A singer is someone who pitch his own voice to musical sounds with his or her own tone. Dancer. Dancer is a person who entertains having different types of steps for a different kind of music. Actors. Actors gives us entertainment, give happiness, give information and relief. Reporter. A person who provides entire news running in the world to the people. So, children, listen carefully. Every occupation has its own value and we should respect everyone. Children, you have already learnt about the jobs and occupations. Do you know how many people help to get the food you eat? Children, the main important part in a life is food. So, the struggle behind the preparation of the food is a farmer who is called as assistant. There is a huge amount of struggle to grow food like vegetables, rice, wheat, jawar, corn, etc., which is grown by a farmer. To grow these food by a farmer, the following are the required items which are necessary to grow a food by a farmer. Those are land, water, seed, fertilizer, insecticide, workers, transport, and merchant. First one is land. Without a land, you cannot grow any plants or food. So, this is the main important part for a farmer to grow food. Second, water. Children, to grow food, we need water, which will be poured to a land. We get water from well, canal, borewell. We use pump and pump set to supply water to the land. Third one, seed. Once the land and water is in hand of farmer, then he will sow seed to grow the required food. Next, fertilizer. Once the seed is sown, the fertilizer helps the crops to grow better. Next, insecticide. To get a quality food, we need to use insecticides to avoid getting diseases to a plants. Next, workers. To perform all above steps, it is not possible to perform by a single farmer. So, we need workers like agricultural laborers. Next, transport. Transportation is required to transport food from grain from one place to another, which required vehicle driver and laborers. Next, merchant. This is the last step for a well grown food by a farmer. Merchant will give valuable amount of price for grown food which will help farmer to lead his successful life. Merchant are wholesale merchant or a broker. Children, these are the points to remember in this lesson. First one is the highest peak in the world is Mount Everest. Mount Everest was climbed by Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay. Second one, Bachendra Pal was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Last one, cycling, swimming, walking, and yoga are some very good exercises. This helps to improve one's health. So, children, we have come at the end of the chapter. Now, let us have conclusion on the community. Every person is a part of the community. Community is formed by every member living in the community. It is not possible to live without the cooperation of the community. So, children, when situation demands, we should help others in the community.